Officer 5 here, and I'm here to teach you guys how to turn a Nerf gun into an Airsoft gun. So stay right here and look at it. Look at its pretty stuff.
Yeah! I was just waiting for you.
Wow. Okay, that's my color. Alright. What you do is take this dart, take the top off, then you take a pen. You have to take this little pen. I do prefer those little blue ones, blue one with the cap. Take that off, and then put the dart in there, and then put the cap in there. So it'll look like, here's, you might need to stretch it out a bit. It's gonna be, so you just put that in there, inside the thing, and then you put the pen. So then you not duct tape it, but I use electrical tape. Electrical tape it all the way around. Then that works, but see, listen to that. That is some concentrated crap right there. Rizzle. And then I took this is the silencer off a Walmart gun, the machine gun, and I put it on this thing, and it freaking goes. Here, let me see a BB. You have a BB?
No, it bounced somewhere. Got the pouch though.
Oh, yep. Basically, it actually stays up. Oh. Alright. Put it in the chamber. And
Oh!
see? Works.
Dude.
Let's try again. Let's see if it. Yep, it hit you. Try it there.
Well, that time I didn't feel it. Thank God.
Push. Sometimes you might need to push the tube back in it for it to get more. Yep. You need to push it back in there. The tube back, because it likes to come out because the dart was taped in there.
I felt it that time. I'm just glad you're not using your evil.
Where's that Nerf gun? I'll show you my two other pistols.
Oh, jeez. Please don't fire those.
This is my Glock. Got it from my dad. The part's metal, rest is plastic, even the clip is. I'll show you the rate of fire.
Oh.
There's that.
That wasn't the. Oh, Jesus. Don't shoot
And
that
here's
at
my
me.
Deagle, my Desert Eagle. All metal clip. Pretty much all metal body. He's hiding.
Because I don't trust you. Ow!
Got his hand. Hurt?
Yes.
That way we know it works. Alright, thanks for watching, YouTube. Subscribe, comment, and rate.
If you like seeing me get hurt, watch more of his videos.